Good morning, YouTube. This is my first hack on how to fill and not hang out by the water dispenser area of your refrigerator for a half an hour. Well, not really half an hour, but you put a paper towel underneath it and use a Pyrex. And what happens is the Pyrex has enough weight and it will fill it up so you don't have to chill. Mine actually counts the ounces, but you don't need yours to be counting your ounces. So now I can walk away, do what I have to do, and then come back and know it's getting filled. 60 ounces, I do use a zero water filter. And the last thing I want to do is stand there and watch this thing fill for a minute or two. I know this is only a 50-second video going into a minute now, so I'm going to stop it. And basically that's it. Go over to my zero filter, which already filled up. So I think I'm halfway in there. Yeah, I am. And then I fill it up. Yeah, zero filter does not have to be refrigerated because it's filtration water. If you know anything about filtered water, natural water can actually stay non-stagnant in room temperature for up to 2 weeks. I drink my water within a half a day, so I'm not worried about it. And also, room temperature water is better for your body than cold water, because what cold water does is when you try to digest, it takes longer to digest. Even though some people says it speeds up metabolism. If you notice, when you drink cold water in the morning, you have to run to the bathroom. Don't want to get into detail, not too much information, but there's my hack. I have a little piece of paper towel that I kind of like bunched up and folded. I was trying rubber bands in the beginning, but it was still sliding off the surface and was not working. Okie dokie, signing off, and this is one of my first YouTube hacks. Coming from Staten Island, New York, and my name is Cousin Vinny. Everyone have a great day. Ciao.